Slowly give it, let off the gas, slowly, so you get a soft landing.
Whoa.
Never mind.
Oh. That's awesome, dude. You did good.
It's not easy to fly, guys. You think it's easy. It's not easy.
I didn't say it was.
That's pretty
It
cool.
does have a built-in gyroscope though.
It's really hard to fly it though.
It's a lot easier than the little cheesy ones.
Yeah. I'm not done.
Well, the battery's not dead. Obviously.
There's a lot of wind.
Morning, everybody. This gravel is filled with landmines.
Thank you.
God forbid Rocco actually pooped in the yard versus on the driveway.
Well, duh, of course.
Get it, Rocco. Get it.
Say Merry Christmas. Oh, so fun. Devin's in love right now. Comes Dad making the fire.
It even has a headlight on it for nighttime.
Nuh-uh, really?
Yeah, on the front. I don't think it comes on until it's dark or something. Showed it on the box.
Crash landing.
It's hard. It really is because there's wind, so it blows the helicopter back so it won't go forward. You see what I'm doing? I'm
Excuses, excuses.
I had to fight the wind, dude. I was in an
Right out
epic
there?
battle. Seriously, it's like. Yeah.
Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you. No one. It looks real in the camera.
Battery's dead. I'm stuck on the grass there.